Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate jam. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 200 grams of quality dark chocolate, 150 grams of sugar, and 250 milliliters of water. Don't forget 50 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Make sure your saucepan is non-stick and your glass jars are sterilized and ready for the delicious jam. Now, let's start cooking. In your non-stick saucepan, combine the water, sugar, and cocoa powder. Place it over medium heat and stir constantly until the sugar completely dissolves and you have a smooth, uniform mixture. Once dissolved, bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Then, reduce the heat to a simmer and let it cook for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Next, remove the saucepan from the heat. Immediately add your chopped dark chocolate to the hot mixture. Stir continuously until the chocolate is completely melted and fully incorporated, giving your jam a rich, glossy appearance. This step is crucial for that smooth, luxurious texture. Once it's perfectly smooth, carefully pour the hot chocolate jam into your clean, sterilized glass jars, filling them almost to the top. Finally, seal your jars tightly and let the chocolate jam cool completely at room temperature. Once cooled, store your delicious homemade chocolate jam in the refrigerator. It will keep well for up to 3 weeks, perfect for spreading on toast, pastries, or enjoying with fruit. For other great deals and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener for your car, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your sweet creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.